Tabarome was not an aftershave of my youth. I bought it on a whim. Creed described Tabarome as follows. Head notes of spicy ginger evolved to a heart of tea, coffee and rum, which adds to the warmth of the rich base made up of sandalwood and tobacco, with long-lasting masculine and leathery dry down. Applied for my morning wander, I was met with slightly sweet Fox's Glacier mints, green tobacco and a gentle menthol winter breeze. Performance during my wander was fine, the aromas suggesting to my distracted mind that I was traversing a tundra, when I was actually tramping across a muddy field. There was barely any evolution during the 3.5-hour walk, but if the application point on my arm was inhaled deeply, salt water could be discerned. Creed's claims of warmth and a rich base are, like their backstory, fanciful in my experience. This is an ice-cold perfume, which couldn't embody the Arctic better if it tried. More extra strong mint than their intention of a gentleman's club. Appropriate for crisp weather outdoor wear, rather than my usual poncing about in art galleries. These are not characteristics I look for in an aftershave. I favour a perfume so heavy it requires transporting in a wheelbarrow. And if I wished to exude boiled sweets, I'd anoint myself with the aforementioned wet Fox's Glacier mints. And then we come to the price. I paid £87.45 for my 100ml sample, which I have no problem with. But the retail price of £310 is ridiculous for such an unremarkable scent. It's so ridiculous I wouldn't even purchase a retail bottle and invoice it to the King of Glasgow as a filming expense just to annoy him. And it really would annoy him, which of course is the idea. Tabarome unsuccessfully strives for refinement, but despite my negativity, I'll occasionally wear Tabarome and imagine I'm Billy Barton, my school deputy headmaster, serving a 6-month stint in an Arctic research station.